wait, I'm so excited. You don't know how happy. Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing well. If you're new here, my humble self is RosesGlam, and on today's video I'm going to do a little bit unboxing. So if this is what you want to watch, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So let's just hop into that. So guys, this is what I'm going to unbox. I know what is inside, but I've not seen it. I was surprised they delivered this morning, you know. The other day, that was a few days ago, I was talking about my computer, you know. It's about 6 or 7 years old now, you know. Actually, everything is okay, but the thing is that my daughter messed up the keyboard, and my husband was trying to fix something. He got it broken by the side, but you know, nevertheless, it was still working. And at a point in time, the speaker, the voice, I can't hear anything. Whenever I play something on it, nothing is coming forth and all that. And when I tried to fix it, I found out that they are outdated and their warranty from the computer has expired, and all that is actually from HP. So I was kind of not really feeling good about that. And yeah, I thought about it. I was just saying it to my husband that I want to buy a computer. You know, I was surprised. I was at work. He sent me a message, you know, that's showing me the picture of the computer. I was like, okay. So I come back, was teasing him that if you know that you're not going to buy it, don't even bother sending the picture. So I was surprised they brought it this morning. So I said, okay, instead of, you know, opening it like that, let's just unbox it and see what's inside. You know, I've been tempted to open this since morning, but I've been so busy. You know, I have clients today that I'm making up, and after that I had to do my own makeup. You know, the video of the makeup is coming up soon, so watch out for it. So let's go ahead and, you know, open this and see what is inside. Okay. I'm going to face the camera here so that you'll be able to see everything. So this is HP has been my brand ever since. I used Sonivario once. So I said any day I'm stopping using HP, I'm migrating to iPad, okay? So it's like this. So let's go ahead and open it and see. Wow. I love this. I've not used this color before, but I loved it. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's see how it is. So this is our new laptop, as you can see. I don't know the make of this one, but they wrote it here. They say it's a HP Envy X360 Convertible. As in convertible, you can actually fold it, use it as your tablet, or use it as a computer. Okay, and there is a AMD version. Is 501 gig according to them. Solid state drive is 8 gig RAM. No optical drive. Windows 11. Yeah, is, I think Windows 11 is the newest version or newest edition. How do I say that? Okay, and it's touchscreen. Okay, my previous one is also touchscreen. You know, I'm used to that. Even when my husband was saying it, he said, yeah, I know you're used to it. Any small thing you'll be doing like this. So it's a touchscreen, and multi-touch enabled, 3 cell, 51. You know, it lasts up to 51 hours is what they're talking about. 39.62 cm, that is 15.6 inches if I'm correct. Said FHD IPS LED display. Okay, and yeah, they put in bracket 250 nits. My husband will explain that to me later, okay? Bang and Olufsen, okay, is a kind of speaker to it, okay? So yeah, so we are going to go ahead to open this and see how it looks like, and we are going to turn it on and see how it operates. I'm so excited. You don't know how happy I am. So okay, it's here. All right. Yes, my husband is seriously staring at me. I'm happy, darling. I'm happy. Yes, this one, anybody I catch on top of it, especially that my small munchkin, I'm going to deal with her. So here we go. See. So I'll go ahead to open it. Yeah. So like what I was saying, if you don't want to have it this way, you can actually fold it without using the keyboard. You can just type on it, okay? Yeah. So I will go ahead. I know normally I'm supposed to charge it, okay, before I start it up, but I will turn it on and see how it goes. I forgot to show you guys, it came with the charger, and yeah, I will show you a bit. I will go on and turn. Okay, this is the charging port. This is where you insert your USB, and this is your SD card, and this side also you can as well insert your a USB stick. Then this is USB-C. Okay, USB-C port. You can as well plug it there. Then if you want to you don't want noise or something, you are listening to something from it, you don't want it to be loud, you can plug your headphone right here, okay? So where did it turn it on? Okay, I'll go ahead to plug it with the charger. This charger is lovely, eh? This is how the charger looks like. Unlike the previous ones, you see it's very thick, but this one is so small, so not heavy at all. You can actually put it in your bag and go where you are going. So I'll go ahead to plug it right from here. Let's see how it looks like.
Because you have to install it.
This is how it is. I'm not really going to do anything right now to it, because for me to do something on it, I need to install a lot of things before I'll be able to use it, okay? It is just telling me the instruction on how to start it up and all that in Dutch, okay? So this is basically how it is. So I will update you guys how it's working, and yeah, if it's is how do I say it, if it's worth it or not. But I think it is, because HP have never disappointed me before. I've been using their brand. They are my number one when it comes to computer. They are good, okay? So this is my unboxing. I hope you all like it. If you do, don't hesitate to give it a thumb up. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. You know what? I will catch you up again in my next video. But don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye for now. Leave your comments at the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you've used this before, this particular model, do let me know at the comment section how it works, okay? Thank you and bye for now.